What's up, YouTubers? It's TheCovertCrow, and welcome back to the channel. Now listen, you're not even gonna believe this. I'm walking through one of our major department stores, and what do I see? I see a vintage Casio display, and in it is the Casio Calculator watch. And I'm talking about going back to the origins now for the TheCovertCrow. Back when I was 13, I had this watch, back in grade 7. And there it is, a reissued model, the CA506B. It is gorgeous. I am such a nerd. I said to myself, self, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. Now for a wow moment, what's on wrist? We're looking at the Seiko King Turtle SRPE05. It's also been reviewed on the channel. Look it up. The Casio 506B calculator watch. I looked at this thing in the display. It was basically just like this. And I'm like, oh my goodness. Two words come to mind. No brainer. Man, what can I say? Digital time, alarm capability, chronograph stopwatch, calculator, all wrapped up in a beautiful package for $60? Come on, man. You know what time it is. Time to get the white gloves on and get a bird's eye view. So here it is, the Casio Calculator. Reference number CA506B-1AVT. This calculator watch is fantastic, and they've done a great job with the reissue of this timepiece. We're looking at a 35mm case with a 45mm lug-to-lug, a 20mm lug width, and a very streamlined 10mm thickness. Talk about slide under the cuff. No problem. This digital masterpiece allows for the obvious, the calculator function, but also alarm, stopwatch chronograph, and dual time complication, all wrapped up in this black stainless steel case and bracelet. It is a stainless steel case back with the reference number and the movement number engraved in the back. She does offer some water resistance. The bracelet is lightweight and it tapers from 21mm down to 18mm. However, as I mentioned, the lug connection is actually 20mm. We have two buttons on the side for the case, one being the mode button and the lower button being the adjustment. So the gray button, which you see on the side, is the mode to change between settings. As you can see, we have the regular time displayed at this moment. Hit it once and that takes us right to the calculator function. Hit it again, we have the alarm option and as well a dual time complication. And of course your chronograph. Now I will say, I do have some good lighting here for this review and unboxing. However, in lower lighting conditions, without any illumination, you will see a significant difference in what you're able to see. But overall, when it comes to functionality, the Casio CA506B just knocks it out of the park. And yeah, you might be teased for being a watch geek like me, but hey, to each his own. At $60, every time I look at it, it takes me back to my childhood. The Casio CA506B, the calculator watch. Going back a long time ago, but there is the vintage calculator designed by Casio that's redone for their vintage series. It's just great. Like I said, this takes me way back, and every time I look at it, I think about my childhood. Is she special? At $60 value, she's fantastic. You can't beat it. It's one of those must-haves, a no-brainer, as I mentioned before. The bracelet, like I mentioned, that dark black stainless steel, to match the plastic case, it just works. And it also has the same style of buckle and clasp as the Casio A168, which is very easy to operate. All you do is lift this little tiny lever here, and then this adjusts and slides back and forth so that you can find the adjustment that's suitable for you and be on your way. That's the Casio 506B, the calculator watch, the vintage series reissue. She's great. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because you don't want to miss the next video. I'm TheCovertCrow. Do me a favor if you like, follow me on Instagram. It's right there. My time is up. I'll see you on the next one.